Okay, welcome back. It is day 212 of Coding Every Day. So today, did the lead code very quickly. Um, did a random shuffle. I didn't know you can make like a list of like already filtered things, so I just have like it's like easy and mediums that I haven't attempted before, that fall within like binary search, depth first search, array, string, sorting, matrixy, tree, like that, like general stuff. Um, but yeah, the leak code for today was just given, what was it again? It was like given an array. Oh yeah, given an array of like steps or whatever. What was the minimum start value if there was a value to begin with before the first value? That when you like did the rolling sum was never less than one. Uh, so my solution to that, I don't know if it's the optimal solution, but it was just start value defaults at one because it's set to it should never be less than one, and then have a running like sum and then just loop through each value and add it to the running sum. And if at any point that running sum goes below one, then I go for a while loop saying, okay, as long as the start value plus the current running sum is less than one, keep adding one to the start value. Um, in that way, even if later on, let's say, um, if you run into a negative later on, you're already, some way up, and then it's like, oh, I can just add to this, and it'll just always add, and it'll never be like I need to take away from that, until and then it just breaks out of the loop once we've gone through everything. And the current number that we set that to is the result. So pretty easy question. Didn't do anything else today really. I was working on my hair is so fucked, by the way. Like I don't know what's going on back here, but anyways, um I was working on my car's AC system is like down. It's not like down, but it doesn't turn on automatically. It, like sometimes it will like randomly, but it doesn't work like when I try to turn it on, it turns on. It doesn't do that. So I was trying to make a remote control, like, so there's like a relay in the I had stopped recording by accident. There's like a relay in the not in the trunk, in the hood, that has like, like a connection between two pins, and the computer on the car is supposed to like engage the relay, but it's not for some reason. So you can just automatically just put a connection in there, and you can like jumpstart the AC system. But I have to open my hood every time and like whatever, make the jump thing with the little wire I have. So I was just gonna do something that just bridges the connection with a remote. But the module I bought is just defective because I can't turn it off. It's just always on. Um, so I'll probably just have to buy a new one. But yeah, that's basically it. All I did today. Back in lab tomorrow. I want to get a lot done this week. I want to start training a model on the Wi-Fi CSI information, and that would be a great success. So that is all I have. I will see you tomorrow for day 213, if I'm right about today being 212. And yeah, okay. Take care. Bye.